Hello and hi students, good afternoon. Yes, in last period we have started this lesson Dick Whittington and his cat. Last time I have given you one question for a homework that what was that question? Why did Dick decide to go to London? What is the answer? The answer is the Dick decided to go to London because to find out his fortune. Because someone had told him that the London streets are paved with the gold. That's why he decided himself to go there and find out his fortune. He want to become a rich because he was poor. He had not his own home. His parents are died, etc. Okay. Then next, look here. We will continue here. Page number 6. They arrived in London just before nightfall. Who arrived in London just before nightfall? Carter and Dick arrived in London just before nightfall, means at evening. Okay. And the Carter left Dick and made his way to an inn. The Carter, what he did, he left the Dick there only and he went to the inn or in restaurant and hotel. Then Dick looked around himself here and there in dismay, in unhappiness mode, and he was thinking, he was looking here and there because someone told him that the London streets are paved with the or concrete or covered with the gold, but nothing was there. Only what was there? The streets, dirty streets. How were the streets? Dirty streets, and lots of unfriendly people. What was there? Unfriendly people, unknown people, unfriendly. Friendly and unfriendly. Unfriendly is what here? Unknown. Unfriendly. Unknown people. Unknown. The lots of people were unknown people. Okay. Lots of people were unknown people. Then he had nowhere to sleep. He had nowhere to sleep, and in the end he spent the night in the corner of the alley where he hoped he would come to no harm. Look at. Then where he slept? In alley, in the corner of alley. Alley means what? A small lane. Small lane. Or a passage in between the buildings. Look here. What about? That Dick went there. When he get down of that Carter, and what he searched here and there, nothing was there, only the dirty streets and unfriendly, unknown people. Then what he did, he had not got a place for sleeping also. That's why he just went, yes, a place in between the alley, a small passage in between the two buildings. It is called also a small lane. Then here he hoped he would come to no harm. Yes, he thought that that lane will not give any harm, or it will be secure place, a place, okay, good place. Then the next morning, Dick woke up cold, miserable, and very angry. Look at the next morning what happens. Yes, because that Dick reached at London before nightfall. That's why. What happened? He had to spend his throughout night in that alley, and but what happens? He has not home. That's why when he woke up early in the morning, that time very cold. It was very cold climate, miserable and very hungry. He was very hungry that time. Okay, he wandered around begging for food. He wandered here and there and started to beg for food. But again and again people shouted at him. But the people shouted at him. No one was ready to give him food because he was unfriendly, he was unknown. Go away, you lazy fellow. Be off with you. And aimed angry blows at his head. Okay. What happened? Not only the people shouted on him, but what they did, they blew on his head. They beat on his head. Okay, they beat on his head. Then, at last he collapsed in the street and lay there, too weak to look further for food. At last he collapsed. He fell. He fell on the road. Okay, without food, he was unable to go, unable to search here and there for food. By chance, Dick had fallen in front of a house belonging to a rich merchant called Mr. Fishwell. Yes, by chance, when he had fallen in front of the house, and that house was whose house? It was the Mr. Fishwell. He was a rich merchant. There was a rich merchant. In front of his house only, this Dick had fallen, called as a Fishwell. The cook was trying to drive Dick away when Mr. Fitzwarren returned home from inspecting his ships. He stopped and said to Dick, "Why don't you work if you need food?" That time, when that one worker was removing this Dick from in front of the house of that Fitzwarren, suddenly Mr. Fitzwarren, yes, seen that somebody was fallen in front of his house. That time he told to that Dick, "Why don't you work and earn some money for the food?" Like that he said. "I would work," said Dick, "but I know nobody will give me anything to do." That time Dick said, "Yes, I want to work, no doubt, but who will give me work for working, etc.? Take him into the kitchen." Mr. Fitzwarren ordered the cook. That time Fitzwarren ordered the cook that take this Dick inside the kitchen, feed him first, and then find some work for him. That time he said, he ordered that cook, "Look here, cook, you take this Dick inside the kitchen, feed him, give him some food, and after that, whatever, find out, it means give him some work." So Dick was given a home and a living, both he got. Then Dick got both, home also got, and whatever he got, food also. Okay. He had a small corner of the attic to sleep in, and his job was to help the cook with all the pots and pans in the kitchen. Then what type of work? What did they did? They got the work of, yes, washing the utensils, helping the cooks to wash the pans and pots. Okay. Dick's life should have been much better than before, but he still had two difficulties to face. Yes, what happened here? Dick's life should have been much better than before, but he still had two difficulties to face. Which were the two difficulties? Yes, look here. The first was that the attic he slept in was overrun by rats and mice. What happened? The Dick got food and for living home, no doubt. But where he had to live? Where had to live? He had to live in the attic. This Dick, wherever he slept in that attic was totally full of with the rats. Full of with rats. Okay? Then this was the first difficulty. That attic was running, okay, with the rats and mice. At night they scampered all over him. Scampered means ran here and there. Scamper. SCAMPERED. Scampered means ran here and there. Who ran here and there? Who did run here and there? Who ran here and there? The rat and mice scampered. It means ran here and there. Okay, in that attic. Then at night they scampered all over him and kept him awake. After a time, he solved this problem by saving the few pennies he was fed and buying himself a cat. In no time at all, the cat chased away all the rats and mice, and Dick was able to sleep peacefully. Look here, how the Dick was intelligent boy. What he did when he was sleeping there in that attic, that time he was troubled totally by the rats and mice. Okay. Then after some days, what happened? He solved his problem. What he did? Not only he was paying the food, but he was giving some pennies also. Money. Penny means here money. Okay. Yes. Whatever he got the pennies, what he did from that pennies, he purchased one cat, and he kept himself. And what that cat did? Cat started to Yes, chase the rats and mice. Ultimately, what happened? The problem of this Dick sleeping problem solved. Okay, like this is a very interesting story. How much? Okay, I think you understood, you enjoyed this lesson because this lesson is very now what you call enjoyable. Okay, entertainment. It can give you entertainment also and inspiration also. Okay, I think you understood about this. Better you take down one homework, one question. How did Mr. Fitzwarren favor Dick? Dick. Listen here. How did Mr. Fitzwarren favor Dick? Fitzwarren, who was Fitzwarren? Fitzwarren was a merchant. Okay, just you answer this question. Thank you. Have a nice day.